Ever noticed a garden light that stopped working? Don't just toss it. Many common household items like these solar lights can be easily repaired. Today, we're going to show you how to bring a dead garden light back to life using simple, eco-friendly techniques. It's good for your wallet and the planet. Often, the problem isn't a broken light, but rather a dirty solar cell or corroded battery contacts. Let's take a closer look at the culprits. Here, you can see the telltale signs of neglect. An oxidized solar cell struggling to absorb sunlight, and inside, corroded battery contacts. These issues prevent the light from charging properly. But with a few simple steps, we can fix them and avoid unnecessary waste. First up, the solar cell. This is where your light gets its energy. A dirty cell can't convert sunlight efficiently. Grab a soft cloth or even a fine abrasive if needed and gently polish the surface. You'll be amazed at the difference a little elbow grease can make. See how the oxidation starts to disappear? This simple act significantly improves the cell's ability to capture solar energy. And just like that, our solar cell is clean and shiny, ready to soak up the sun's rays. A small effort for a big impact on performance. Next, let's tackle those corroded battery contacts. Corrosion creates resistance, preventing power from flowing to the bulb. A small piece of fine grit sandpaper is perfect for this. Gently rub away the corrosion until the metal shines through. Be thorough but gentle. We want to remove the corrosion without damaging the contact itself. This ensures a strong electrical connection. And there you have it. Clean, conductive battery contacts. This is crucial for the battery to deliver power effectively. Finally, let's replace the battery. Always opt for a new, high-quality rechargeable AA battery. It's more sustainable and cost-effective in the long run. Carefully insert the new battery into the now clean compartment, ensuring proper polarity. This fresh power source is the final piece of the puzzle. With the battery in place, it's time to reassemble our garden light. Make sure all components fit snugly and securely. Once reassembled, place the light back in its spot in the garden. Now, we wait for dusk to see if our eco-friendly repair was a success. As twilight descends, the moment of truth arrives. Will our efforts pay off? Will the garden light illuminate the night once more? Yes, it's alive. The LED bulb shines bright, casting a warm glow on the surrounding foliage. Our repair was a complete success. This simple repair not only saved us money, but also prevented another item from ending up in a landfill. It's a win-win for everyone. Look at that beautiful light. It's a testament to the power of DIY and sustainable living. You don't always need to buy new. By taking a few minutes to clean and replace parts, we've extended the life of this garden light, reducing waste and conserving resources. So, next time something breaks, consider if a simple repair could be the answer. You might be surprised at what you can achieve. Embrace the DIY spirit, save some money, and contribute to a greener planet. It's a rewarding experience for everyone involved.